Strong winds and heavy rain this weekend thanks to Storm Amy. More of that in the forecast in just a moment. But first of all, let's see why Storm Amy became such a beast in the first place. It's all thanks to the jet stream, the fast-flowing narrow ribbon of air that's high up in the atmosphere. And for the most part, we can forget it even exists. It guides our storms though, so when it gets stuck, that's when we notice it and we may see some flooding or a drought if it's taking the storms away from us. But when it's very strong, it can really cause our storms to develop very quickly. And at the moment, in this strange banana shape here, we've got winds over 200 miles an hour. That is incredibly strong. And so storms will be affected. Now, it's when the winds go faster or slow down that we start to see more of an effect on what's going on. And one of the areas is the left exit of this fast flowing, when it just begins to slow down just to the left there. And that's exactly where Storm Amy is. That's why it's developing so rapidly, and it will only slowly work its way towards the east. And as it does so, it will deepen all the while. So we'll see some very strong winds over Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland as well. And then that system stalls. So it will give us a prolonged time on Saturday of some very, very strong winds. So don't forget to like and subscribe as we take a look at the weekend forecast, starting with Saturday morning. And Saturday will be a windy one no matter where you are. In the south, we'll see winds generally around 45 to 55 miles an hour, and around some of the coast they'll be even stronger. But it's in the north where we're going to see the strongest of the winds, and some of us could see those winds gusting up to around 95 miles an hour, so very, very strong. And those winds are likely to stay pretty strong for much of the day. Elsewhere, and there'll be sunshine and showers for many places. The showers in the south generally well scattered, but elsewhere we'll see some pretty lively ones, and they will be banding together to give some more prolonged outbreaks of rain at times, particularly in the north. As we head into Sunday, Sunday will be a cool day, again a blustery one, but not as windy as Saturday. Still quite blowy though towards the northwest, and still a lot of cloud here and a few outbreaks of rain. Elsewhere, a few showers, not quite as many as Saturday, and a little bit more in the way of brightness. Then later on though, we're going to see more cloud begin to thicken up in the west as some more rain begins to edge its way towards us. And as we head through the next working week, we're looking at a westerly flow. So it will be milder than the weekend, but it will also be rather unsettled in the west and generally drier in the east. So Saturday then is the day that Storm Amy really makes her mark before things begin to ease again as we head through Sunday and into Monday.